Imagine turning your key on a cold morning and realizing your reliable diesel engine is struggling to wake up, almost like it is shivering, and then that dreaded check engine light stares right back at you. If you have plugged in your scanner and seen the code P06BE, you are dealing with a cylinder 6 glow plug circuit range performance issue. Now, do not panic, because while this sounds technically intimidating, it is actually a very specific distress signal from your powertrain control module, or PIMANA. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs to ignite the fuel, your diesel relies on squeezing air until it gets hot enough to explode the fuel, a process we call compression ignition. But when the engine is cold, it needs a helping hand, and that is exactly what the glow plug does. It is a little heating element that sits right inside cylinder number 6, getting red hot to prep the chamber for combustion. This code basically means the computer sent a command to heat that plug up, but the voltage signal it got back was not what it expected. It is out of range. This is huge because if that cylinder cannot get hot enough, you are going to see excessive black smoke, experience a rough idle, or maybe the engine will not even start at all. Before you go buying parts, you need to be smart about this. First, grab your owner's manual or look up a diagram online to be 100% sure which one is cylinder number 6. You have no idea how many people spend hours fixing the wrong cylinder. Once you find it, check the wiring connector on top of the glow plug. Is it loose? Is it corroded? Sometimes the vibration of a diesel engine just shakes things loose. If the wiring looks good, here is a pro tip that manuals often skip. You can actually test the glow plug itself. If you take it out and carefully apply battery voltage to it using jumper wires, it should glow bright red almost instantly. If it stays dark or only glows a little bit, it is dead. Just be incredibly careful, because that tip gets hot enough to burn skin instantly. Also, you will want to use a digital voltometer, or DVOM, to check resistance. If the glow plug is fine, you might be looking at a bad timer module or a fuse, but usually, it is the plug itself, or the wiring leading to it. Fixing this urgently is key, because ignoring it does not just mean hard starts. It can lead to unburned fuel washing down the cylinder walls, which hurts your engine's longevity in the long run. So, identify that number 6 cylinder, check that connection, and let's get that beast firing on all cylinders again.